XRP to $5 after lawsuit. XRP by Ripple is often the butt of many jokes across the crypto space due to its underperformance and controversies. The recent SEC lawsuit was a big blow to XRP's reputation, and the market capitalization of XRP reached an all-time low. But it seems to many that the XRP revolution is just around the corner. In fact, experts predict that the XRP will be worth at least $5 after the lawsuit is over. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we teach you everything about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here. Also click the link in the description if you want to learn everything about crypto investing. In today's video, we will see the future prospects of Ripple's XRP and whether it will reach $5 or not. So if you're curious, keep on watching till the end. Let's dive right into the video. The SEC lawsuit. Guys, for those of you who have no idea, in late December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, filed a lawsuit against the Ripple XRP platform, its CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and chairman for selling unregistered securities worth $1.3 billion. As a response, Garlinghouse called the lawsuit an attack on crypto at large. And although the incident hasn't yet had a particularly devastating effect on the price of XRP, investors can definitely expect to see a price crash if the lawsuit succeeds. The impact of this lawsuit can be wide-ranging, such as several exchanges list XRP in the US, with only one deciding to delist the cryptocurrency ahead of the lawsuit. If the SEC prevails, platforms that continue to list the crypto may have to register as securities exchanges. Now, if we discuss the immediate consequences, XRP was down 31.9% as of the next morning after SEC announced this lawsuit. Ripple had to face some major backlashes after SEC sued them, and even the cryptocurrency exchanges, Crypto.com, Coinbase, and OKCoin, said that they were suspending trading of the XRP token following a Securities and Exchange Commission complaint against the developer Ripple Labs. Could Ripple reach $5 by the end of 2021? According to the statistics in the cryptocurrency market, Ripple had a successful 2018 and 2019. It created plenty of partnerships and made crucial developments that led to more engagements from various investors. For instance, various banking and other financial institutions joined forces with Ripple to take advantage of the secure and instant cross-border payment system. The company states that it has partnerships with over 300 financial institutions to offer their clients real-time international payments at a low cost. Some examples of financial institutions that Ripple has a partnership with include the Bank of America, MoneyGram, the Royal Bank of Canada, National Bank of Fujiwara, PJSC, or NFB, Standard Chartered Bank, National Bank of Abu Dhabi, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, and Money Match, among many others. Guys, Ripple has several significant partnerships with major financial institutions in the world. This is one of the primary reasons its price will surge exponentially in the coming years. By adding major contenders to its portfolio, Ripple's market cap continues to grow and gain mainstream use. Currently, Ripple trades at 39 cents, and its value will project to reach the $2 mark by the end of 2021. Ripple price prediction. It is a well-known fact that the cryptocurrency market is very volatile. In turn, many investors have gained immense wealth from the market, while others have experienced plenty of losses. However, some market specialists monitor different cryptos and give their future price predictions. Some of these market specialists include Moody's. Guys, according to Moody's, which is an investor service, it predicts that the blockchain platform will increase in 2021. According to its research, experts believe that the XRP will usher in more partnerships and project development. As a result, Ripple will reach the $2 mark by the end of 2021. Capital. According to Capital.com, Ripple will trade at an average 30 cents by the end of 2021. The service predicts that the price of XRP will drop below the 1 cent mark in August 2021, but will recover to 37 cents by December 2021. Its report further states that this cryptocurrency will begin 2022 at 50 cents, and its 2025 projected value is 50 to 60 cents. Ripple Coin News. As the second largest traffic-based news website, Ripple Coin News estimates that XRP will grow in popularity in the coming years. In turn, this will lead to more engagement within the crypto community. Ripple will expand its alliances and develop emerging technology, raising its price to $8 to $10 by 2025. Coinpedia. Over the years, Ripple has had increased partnerships and many financial institutions embracing its technology. As a result, it achieved a great deal of success in 2020. According to its website, this cryptocurrency will extend its services to more nations and double its business inflows from the $2 million it earned in the previous year. According to Coinpedia, it predicts that XRP might reach $1.20 or even $2 at most by December 2021. Oracle Times. According to one of their recent posts, Oracle Times forecasts that XRP will rise to as much as 2,000% in the next few years. This is primarily because the platform offers a workable solution for banks and other financial institutions from all over the world. Using the RippleNet platform, users can make instant payments from anywhere in the world in less than 5 seconds. The platform also provides sufficient security and low transaction fees to its user. Will XRP reach $5 in 5 years? If you wonder if XRP is a good investment and crypto experts forecast for Ripple in the next 5 years, you are in the right place. Guys, the crypto market has a very optimistic outlook for Ripple, claiming that it may trade at $2.50 by December 2022. According to the Society, the cryptocurrency industry will gain more government regulations soon. In turn, Ripple is in a better position than other cryptos to withstand such policies. The Crypto Whale, a cryptocurrency expert and analyst, says XRP is the only project pushing for crypto regulations. Upon putting government regulations in place, most cryptocurrencies will have a hard time keeping it up, causing XRP's demand to skyrocket. Many crypto investors question, will XRP reach $5 anytime soon? Many crypto experts believe XRP will trade at $4 to $8 in the next 5 years. This is only if XRP continues to create powerful alliances and develop as it has done in the past. As for financial institutions adopting the Ripple platform, it will gain more mainstream use and more people will be able to buy it in the more affordable and convenient way. Thus, it is possible that by 2025, XRP will reach the $6 mark. Will Ripple ever see a recovery to former highs or beyond? An old crypto analyst prediction has haunted them since the day it was made. A call for $580 per token in XRP has turned into a long-standing meme. XRP crashed over 90%, and each rally sold back down by Ripple executives only fueled further underperformance and distrust in the asset. But all markets are cyclical, and XRP is showing multiple signs that a recovery is near. After almost 900 days of a downtrend, all the pent-up momentum in Ripple could result in a powerful breakthrough and surge. In the past, the asset has grown thousands of a percent against USD and BTC, and chances are it will happen again. But next time around, how high could Ripple go? According to various analysts' take on mathematics, it could be anywhere from $5 to $26 per XRP token. $589 per token in XRP is not possible. Even if the market cap absorbs all the assets and wealth in the world, the math just doesn't add up. However, other predictions are much more mathematically realistic. Fibonacci numbers and their ratios are often used in trading to plot potential areas of interest. Such areas include support and resistance, where reversals may occur, and target where current resistance doesn't yet exist. According to one crypto analyst, XRP could potentially reach $26 per XRP token if the asset reached a Fibonacci extension of 1.618. NewsBTC in-house analysts offer a different take on the same Fibonacci extension pictured below. Conclusion. So will Ripple reach $5? According to all the predictions, many experts believe that XRP will not get to the $10 mark, but it is very realistic that Ripple will reach the $5 mark in the next 5 years at most. Although this cryptocurrency has not yet reached Bitcoin's highs, it has still experienced some drastic fluctuations since its first launch. If you are looking for a suitable cryptocurrency investments, Ripple is one of the top contenders. However, it is vital to conduct thorough research before investing. You should also note that this cryptocurrency may not bring you quick wins in 2021, as it is expected to fall before it rises again. So guys, this is it for today's video. What do you think? Will XRP reach $5 or not? Tell us in the comments section. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And thanks for watching.